Hi, hello. Assalamualaikum. I'm Norhafizah binti Dzulkefle. Metric number is 9102-2301-6062001. I'm from Bachelor Manufacturing of Management. We'll be present about the Innovation and Technology Management for the semester May 2020. Okay, we proceed for our agenda for today. I would like to present about introduction of innovation, definition of innovation, list type of basic innovation, innovation classification. And the next one, the type of innovation. I will go through more deeper about the basic research, sustaining innovation, disruptive innovation, breakthrough innovation, and a summary. Okay, let's go. Introduction. For the introduction, I will present for definition of innovation. From first resource, Scoopeter 1939. Impact of technological change as the use of latest combinations of existing productive force to solve issues arise in the business organization. Second resource from Soulier 2013. New knowledge cultivated in product and service according to technological, marketing, and administrative characteristics. And resource number 3, AFAO 1998. It involved the process change and the result in the business. Let's move on to the basic type of innovation. For the basic type of innovations, we have 4 types of innovation. The first one is breakthrough innovation. Second one is sustaining innovations. Number 3 is basic research. And number 4 is disruptive innovation. Okay. I will present about the 4 types of basic innovations. They will be more simple. Basic research. The basic research is undertaken by university and research and development laboratories. This research is main aim to discover something truly new and how things work. Number 2, for the sustaining innovations, this problem clearly defined and the researchers knows how to solve it systematically. For example, Apple company start designing the iPod and later overcome its limitations. For number 3, disruptive innovation. This innovation is new approach to all product and service. Value of the research not immediately appear, but outcome for the long period. For example, this innovation in initial phase of digital camera had many shortcoming problems. And the last one is a breakthrough innovation. This breakthrough innovation is involve a paradigm shift. Problem clearly defined, but the solution is not clear. Success may not be immediately. So, for example, is discovery of structure of DNA. Okay, innovation classification. They have 2 types of classification of innovation. The first one is incremental and the second one radical. For the incremental, this focus of incremental innovation is to reduce costs, add new features to product and service. Production of bicycle with extra features such as gears and bell were added. Number 2, radical. Product and service are created to advance that is make competitor to be non-exist. For example, Dyson company made the first vacuum cleaner, was sold out in the high quantity since it has the most advanced technology features. Believe me, the Dyson vacuum is very expensive one. Okay guys, let's move on for the fourth type of innovation. I will explain this type of innovation is more deeper and with the explanations. The first one is basic research. The basic research is purpose to gather information and how certain issues arise or how some matter works. This basic research doesn't not have any defined goal. This can lead to applied research which creates solution for the problem. Lay out way for new discoveries to be identified. Can be conducted in any subject matter and by anyone. For example, is the football, physiology of player, support medical and game theory. In the basic research, they have the pathway that lead to applied research which undergo innovation development before it reach productive and sell product. They have 6 steps of inliner model. The first one is basic research, second one the applied research, third one innovation development, fourth one is production, fifth one is sales, and the last one is market and use. I can give one example about the basic research. In 1950, scientists test a new discovery drug named aperonizid for treatment tuberculosis. Researchers found that this drug does not treat the disease, but it makes patients to be improperly happy. This research has created a new era in biological research on depression among the humankind. Aperonizid became a first distributed antidepressant in the world. Let's move on for the basic type innovation. Number 2 is destructive innovation. Destructive innovation, a process where the product or service take root in a simple application at the bottom of market, then move up in the market, displacing the existing competitors. To create new market and value network which will disrupt existing market. This allowed companies to take a step back to analyze their existing product and service. Destructive innovation is to identify the area that can be improved and to stay relevant and quite adapt to the change of industry. The example for the destructive innovation, I will choose the company name Uber. The Uber with the approach of application on the smartphone is provide the cheaper and easy gap service through the world. Is to all the service which a type of transportation and modify the service with technological spin which simplify the world process. Okay, number 3 is sustaining innovations. This innovation is happen on the incremental basis and often in response to market demands and improvements in technology, seeks to improve existing product or service and clear idea on what problem need to be solved and the skill domain we needed to solve it. Is able to target demanding high-end consumers with the better performance compared to what is previously available. Satisfy customer need and desires through a product and the service. Example of sustaining innovation. We choose a smartphone company such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung. Each year, smartphone companies bring out a new improvement, extra features in the smartphones. Last time, smartphones did not have features such as a camera, big screen, and wireless charger method. But today, you can see many advanced specifications can be found on the smartphone, such as touchscreen display with the resolutions, big space, and the high definition of camera. Very good, right? Okay, the last one is breakthrough innovation. Company is open new market or is change the way a customer interact with the market. It's come with two different forms. Either any new technology that relies on the business model of the company or a business model that utilizes existing technology. Having the advantage of being the first move in the existing market, fully a customer needed and deserve in the greater degree. For example, it's very interesting for the automotive industry. For example, is Tesla Motors. Tesla Motors introduced modern highway-capable electric cars. It was the first to be invented and used by customers in the automotive industry. This car was able to travel 200 miles per charge and advised to the customers to not spend much more fuel consumption. It's very cheap to save your money. Okay guys, for the summary, objective of innovation is to sustain competitive advance in any industry. Innovation is not only about being creative to investing, but also about using knowledge to find the solution for existing problem. The four basic innovation are basic innovation, disruptive innovation, sustaining innovation, also breakthrough innovation. And the company has to be precise on which type of innovation they are applying to their product and service accordingly in market needed. For my opinion, type of innovation that I would like to target for my organization, I will choose two types of innovation. The first one is disruptive innovation. It's because it will be create big opportunity to my company to get into new market. It's help my business to be known all around the world and to expand the market size. This type of innovation does not take a big cost to adopt, and customer need and desire will be fulfilled. For number 2, I choose sustainable innovation. This sustainable innovation, there's opportunity to be improved product, service according to market demand and technological advance. It's create a better performance in current market. Customer needs and desire fulfilled through the improvement, and this will be high total revenue. It's very good to my company. Competitive advance. Company will be seen as the benchmark of leader in the market. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. That's all for my presentation. Bye-bye.